Look, Reese.
Ish.
Look at the camera.
Ish.
Yes, good cat. Do you want to be a model? Okay, let's wait for more viewers. Maybe turn it off, anak, yung vibrate. Yan. So we already have viewers.
Welcome.
Welcome. We're waiting for more viewers.
Maybe it's Facebook.
Okay. One more. Say hi, Reese. Hi. Okay, maybe let's go. Yeah.
Mom, it hasn't been a minute. Stop.
Okay, let's wait for more. Few seconds. Oh, we have a slow connection again.
Oh, Jing.
Hi, Sis Jing. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. Kumusta? Say hi, Reese, to our viewers.
You know you can bring her in. You wanna be in the camera too? We can invite you. Is she work?
Are you at work, sis? Okay, let's start. Yeah? Okay. So, hi everyone. Good afternoon and good morning or good evening, wherever parts of the world you are watching from. Well, today is Monday. I hope you guys had a lovely weekend. You are able to relax, to do the things that you love, and spend time with family, or do the things you're passionate about, or spend time with friends, or just really relax. So, okay. Oh, that's good. That's good, sis. Good luck.
You can hop on here.
Would you? I don't know how
you can invite her.
Okay, I don't know how to do it. Maybe next time. So, to all our followers, new and old, thanks for the support also. And to those people who are passing by, well, my name is Roselle, and this is my son.
I'm Kirsten.
And
this is Reese.
Yeah, this is our pet cat, Reese. Say hi. So, it's our 29th
day. 29.
Yeah, day 29.
90-day challenge.
Yes. And today?
Today, we're going to talk about the concept of work-life balance. Yay, Reese.
Yes,
go.
So it's timing. So what does work-life balance means? Well, it means finding a good mix between your professional life and your personal life, which means between your job and everything else in your life. So that's a work-life balance.
It's about making sure you have time for work, but also time for family, friends, hobbies, and relaxation.
Yes, definitely. And having a good work-life balance means you are not too stressed from work and still have energy for other things, to do other things. Yeah?
It's important because it helps prevent burnout and keeps you happy and healthy.
Definitely. That's why it's really important to have a work-life balance. And you might achieve work-life balance by setting boundaries between work and personal time, like not checking emails after hours.
Taking breaks during the workday and using vacation time to recharge are also part of work-life balance.
Definitely.
Welcome, new viewer.
Thanks to our new viewers. So, and it's different for everyone because we all have a different life settings. So it's different for every one of us. So finding what works best for you is the key. And remember, work is important, but so is taking care of yourself and enjoying life outside of work. Right?
Yeah, right, Reese. Yeah, bye,
So,
Reese.
come to think of having a work-life balance in your life, because we are not created just to work, and not enjoying yourself, your time with your family, or do the things,
Your
your
hobbies.
hobbies, or spending time with friends, or going outside, or traveling. So it's not life.
It's more like enslavement.
Yes, it is. It is. And we are not created to be slave. We are created to enjoy God's creation. So we supposed to have work-life balance, right?
Yes, we're here
So
to enjoy the nature.
yes, enjoy nature, enjoy the things that you love, enjoy spending time with family. Just have some enjoyment, and do the things that you are passionate about. And while at working too, like, yeah, balance between work and
Personal life.
personal life. It's really important, guys. So I think that's all for today, and thank you for watching, and happy Monday, and have a lovely week ahead.
Yes.
Okay, thanks, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow.